NQ hit all-time high after our call. Phase map for this week: DSY and gold neutral. Indices still bullish. This week was unbelievable. We call the NQ 7th and 9th of April fair value gap. Price reacted there and ran almost 40 points above target, straight to all-time high. DSY from our map resistance to now heading into next week. I have run the map phase analysis and it is telling me DSY and gold are both on neutral phase. No directional edge on either. Here is exactly what that means for your trade this week. Yes, we're starting with DSY. DSY on a weekly time frame, we said we will expect high of October 2025 and low of November 3rd 2025. The price should use that as a resistance to push down. That is exactly what price did. Price open up here, then tap into the high of that 28th of October 2025. So price tap into it, then the rest is history. You can see the way price collapse to this very end. Exactly. So what exactly are we going to be expecting this week? First off, on a weekly time frame that we work from, price has already tapped into this both the order block and the proportion block. So price has tapped into here, then come back to this even this volume imbalance here. Price also tap into that, then is testing it into this level. In any case, what exactly are we going to be looking here? To me, on DSY, on a weekly time frame, you can expect price to a little bit push higher on a weekly time frame, but this is not that cleaner price action you want to see. That's number one. Then on daily time frame, what do you also see on a daily time frame here? You can expect price maybe come to this level here, then tap then come to this fair value gap. That is fair value gap here on April, the 10th of April low, and also 14th of April high. So that was a first fair value gap. Their price can take that. This fair value gap can act as a support and also can act as a resistance to either push price high or lower. So it's a 50-50 to me. It's not that obvious to me on DSY. It's a 50-50 curve to me. Then I head to Euro USD. Euro USD, what are we expecting here? Like we did predicted we were bullish previous week, but we don't find our right price yet. Price open lower, then rally up, closing higher than this volume imbalance that on 13th February, on 23rd of February 2026, and 2nd of March 2026 volume imbalance. So price is close above that, and at this level price can use that as a support to push more higher, or can also can act like as a false break, then come right back inside it with this fair value gap that happened on 9th of March 2026 high, and opening of February 23rd 2026 opening price. So price can use that to push price lower. Okay, so these are two sides of market I'm looking at right now. So to me, this call is 50-50. It's not there is no above a 50% confidence level here. That is one. Then we head to okay, let's see the daily time frame also. So if we want to be bearish, what we likely see here, what we'll be expecting on a daily time frame. A quick recap on previous week. So we talk about this fair value gap on 2nd of March, and on 3rd of March also we talk about the fair value gap, that we expect price to use that as a support to push higher, and that's exactly what market did. Then before you can generally rule here is price can, because we obviously on a daily time frame, we are, the order flow is bullish, so we can expect that from this level price can push high, or it can come back and give us some sign of bearishness to go lower. But until see that on a lower time frame, we still remain bullish on this pair, and let's see what will happen. Then we head to pounds, euro, pounds, dollar, pounds USD. On a weekly time frame, you see we open lower, then we rally up, forming this kind of rejection candle. To me, this pounds is still 50-50. To me, it's 50-50, and structurally speaking, price is definitely in a bullish until we see a reason. Change of structure on a daily time frame, then we can look at being bearish on this pair. So what are we going to be doing now? Pounds USD, to me, until we see like what exactly will happen at this particular price point we are now, we need to see what exactly is going to be happening here. Price can from here collapse, and can from here also push higher. So it's a 50-50 call for me now, and until we see a strong change of structure very well here, then we can as well try to sell. But to me, generally this week, like okay, let's head to NASDAQ NQ. This week is very fantastic week for NQ. Like we did predicted, we expect price to come into this fair value gap, the low of 9th of April and the high of 7th of April. This is exactly where we expected price to react from, then to push higher, and price exactly did that, and even went as far as going almost 400 points above the level. To be honest with you, this price move actually came from 3 months order flow. So this is exactly what happened. And on this 3 months order flow, we already completed that. But if we want to continue to move higher, we can expect price to go to 28,435, and the other level is also 31,341. So but these are that is a very audacious price expectation. And for us, this moment is just a take a step back and relax, reflect on what actually happened on price action. And definitely that is that. And we should be very grateful for the way price delivered this week. This is a very fantastic, this is very beautiful price delivery. And so that will be all for now. And what do we do now? We just watch NQ for now. We are coming from a very massive win on NQ, so we just chill for now and look at what price is going to do. And to me, my focus should be like B2 forest pair. Probably we see some signs of structural shift, and to know if to go high and low. Then ES, the same story with NQ. The same story with NQ. So just this moment of time is time of a huge reflection of what happened this past week. This is just a massive price delivery, very beautiful price delivery. In this, generally you can just take a 2 weeks off to even to be able to accept what actually happened this week. This is really massive, very massive price delivery to me. Okay, and YM definitely the same, but YM is kind of showing that it's kind of more slower right now. That is more weaker compared to the previous two indices, and he's the only one that failed to make all-time high. He's the only one that failed to make all-time high, which we are expecting to be 56.0. So basically that is that for YM. And gold, do we have any serious thing on gold? Gold, we actually did predict you see price is still in this range. We predicted if we were bearish, we expect this 4483 to be taken out, but that did not happen. And we on a daily time frame, I think that is more or less cleaner. So see, we are still order flow is still bullish. Order flow still bullish. See, this is where we are now. Okay, we created so until we see a change of delivery again, probably we come and target this one, then we go high. These are the two likely scenario I will be kind of interested in watching what will happen. On gold. So guys, that will be all for now. On summary on what we plan to do this coming week, we will be expecting price to give us some reason on, especially pounds and euro, give us some kind of a structural shift on a daily time frame or 4 hour. Then we know where exactly price is going, because that will be like intraday trading. But on a weekly time frame and daily, for right now, it's not that clear, it's not obvious now. And on indices, especially NQ, ES and YM, I would have loved to see price in fact, I have to like leave the pair for now, because it did make a big rally. It rallied massively, so the pair need to like take some back seats for now, and we look at other pairs and what they have in store for us. And gold, what do we have on gold? Gold, like you see on the screen, we expect this kind of structure. If you see this kind of structure, we'll be interested in this pair. Guys, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and be safe and trade smart.